up, guys? I have a sales call at 3 a.m. so we're gonna go on an adventure somewhere. I'm not sure yet, but we're just gonna drive around, find a place to hang out until 3 a.m. and it's 9 p.m. right now, so we have 6 hours of adventure ahead of us. So stick around. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright guys, we are going out. My vlog now. Outfits, I have nothing else to wear. Hey, waiting for Ryan. Get him bikes.
Need a ride?
No thanks.
Put a helmet on.
Ooh, actually don't. It's gonna ruin my hair.
Would rather ruin your hair or your brain?
My brain. My bitch is full of.
This is my turn to pick, so we went to a cigar lounge, and then next up, Kanya, I think she wants to go to a bar, so we'll go there next, and then we'll continue on with the adventure for tonight. Yeah, we're loading up the brain with nicotine, locking in, gaining energy. We have some soda water right here, so we're gonna hydrate, and yeah, enjoy this very nice cigar. See you guys after. All right, guys, we just finished up the cigar. We're locked in, ready to go. So next stop, we're going to Khao San Road. We're going down to the bottom, a degenerate lifestyle here in Bangkok. So that was Kanya's choice. So we're about to drive 30 minutes there. So I'll see you guys over there at Khao San Road.
You're not going anywhere. I don't think he's here.
I'm going to die.
You're not. What are you talking about? How do we get out?
Left.
Really hard to drive.
Huh?
You really are gonna die if I'm driving. We're on a different street.
Approaching Khao San Road now. It's Sunday night, so I don't know how busy it will be. We'll have to see how it is, how things go. I gotta pee, so we're trying to find a bathroom right now. And then we'll probably eat something. And then Kanya's gonna get nice and drunk, so she can drive us home. So, yeah.
Wanna pay for you? So busy though.
Alright guys, we're just gonna go home now. I have a call in about an hour and a half. So it's like a 30-minute drive home. I'll edit this video for you guys. And then I'm gonna collect the cash, collect the commission, and then finally go to sleep. And I'll have to do my 30 burpees as well, which is a non-negotiable. 3 a.m., 30 burpees. So yeah, we're gonna head home now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye, Connie. Alright guys, we're stopping for a midnight snack.
Soda.
Where's the soda? Oh, here it is. Black? What's the difference? Oh, just the brand? Black and red?
No, this smells like butter, I think.
เปลี่ยนเลยอันนี้คืออันเปลี่ยนอันนี้ดีกว่าอันนี้ถูกกว่าน่ากิน
โอ้ยอุบาท อุบาท 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 stop ไปอุบาท